Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Proton VPN application on Android TV. So to do that, head over to apps and move on to Google. So this is my browser of choice and I'm going to go to the search bar and search for Proton VPN. So searching for it to bring you to this page. The link you want is a link from play.google.com. Make sure that link is the one you select and you'll be brought up to this install page. So on this page, click on the install button and be patient for a couple of seconds. It will pen for some time, and when it's done pending, your download will begin. Now, depending on your internet speed, this download may take you a couple of seconds to maybe a minute. All that will depend on your internet speed. So if your connection is fast, this should be done in a heartbeat. When your app is done downloading, you experience that it will install automatically. So just sit put and wait for the automatic installation process to be done, and you find the app readily available on your app library. Navigate to your app library, you can open the app from there, or alternatively, you could use the open button that will be blue toggled on the screen. So make sure you have good internet connection, and this will take you no time. Now that's the entire process. If you found value in this tutorial, I'd like you to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and if you do that, you'll find content like this coming to you consistently from DaveTech. And this is DaveTech signing out.